Understanding routine elements in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, routine elements. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together, making it easy and fun to understand. Routine elements refers to the regular, typical, or standard parts of something, especially in daily life or activities. For example, brushing your teeth or taking the bus to work are routine elements of your day. It's all about those repetitive actions or features that are consistently present. Let's look at some examples to understand better. Imagine your daily routine: waking up, having breakfast, commuting, working, eating lunch, returning home. These are all routine elements of a typical workday. By identifying these, you can understand patterns in daily life, which is especially helpful for language learners to describe everyday activities. Now, let's try using routine elements in some sentences. Exercising is an essential routine element of my morning. Coffee breaks are a cherished routine element in our office culture. These examples show how you can talk about regular parts of your day or environment using the phrase. Understanding phrases like routine elements is crucial because it enhances your descriptive ability in English. It allows you to speak about your life and experiences more precisely, which is a key skill in language learning. I hope this video has made the concept of routine elements clear and useful for your English learning journey. Remember, incorporating such phrases into your conversations can greatly improve your fluency and understanding. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.